What if the biggest problem with pocket cameras, the fact that you can never actually zoom in, was finally about to get solved? Insta360 has been teasing their upcoming Luna camera for a while now, and the leaks are starting to pile up fast. In this video, I'm breaking down everything we know so far. The zoom feature that's turning heads, the rumored specs, and what this all means for the pocket camera market. Stick around, because one detail in particular completely changes how we should think about this category. So let's start with timing, because this is closer than most people realize. Insta360 CEO already locked in a first half 2026 release window, but now leaks are pointing to something far more specific, mid-May 2026, with May 15th being the date making the rounds online. You know what's interesting? That's basically just weeks away, which means if these leaks are accurate, we're not waiting long at all. The hype train has officially left the station. Here's where things get really interesting. New footage of what appears to be the Luna Ultra has surfaced, and this time it's not the design getting people talking, it's what's on the screen. A 12x zoom toggle is clearly visible. Now, to be fair, that probably isn't pure optical zoom. The more realistic breakdown is a 6x telephoto lens paired with roughly a 2x in-sensor crop to hit that 12x figure. But even with that context, this is a massive leap forward for a pocket camera, especially when you compare it to what competitors are offering. We're talking 2 to 3x zoom on rival devices. Luna is playing a completely different game here. So what do we actually know about the full spec list? Honestly, most of it is still in rumor territory, so take this with a grain of salt. The one detail that keeps showing up consistently is a 1550 milliamp battery. Beyond that, the camera is expected to shoot 4K at up to 240 frames per second, support 10-bit color, and come loaded with Insta360's AI stabilization, which, trust me on this one, has always been a strong suit for the brand. On paper, this thing reads like someone took an action camera and a pocket gimbal and quietly merged them together. And then there's the design, which could be the wildest part of this whole story. From what's been teased, Luna doesn't follow the fixed body formula that most pocket cameras stick to. There are strong hints pointing toward a modular setup, possibly with detachable components like the camera unit or even the battery. If that actually comes through, it opens up a level of flexibility we've never really seen in this form factor before. That said, nothing is confirmed yet, so we're still watching closely on that front. At the end of the day, what Insta360 is building with Luna is a clear statement. Pocket cameras don't have to be limited, safe, or predictable. Zoom, dual lenses, modular hardware, high frame rate video. If even half of this lands well, Luna could genuinely be one of the most exciting camera releases of the year. The real question isn't whether the specs look good on paper, it's whether the execution delivers. So here's what I want to know. Does the 12x zoom feature make Luna an instant buy for you, or are you waiting to see real-world footage first? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this useful, hit that like button, subscribe so you don't miss the full Luna breakdown when it drops, and I'll see you in the next one.